Hi, so as you know, we're working on this thing. Now, I've made the decision to make it steampunk and to use quite a lot of copper in it. Now, that means buying quite a lot of copper, and of course that would be stupidly expensive, and copper is actually quite a soft metal as well as being an expensive metal. It would be better if it was steel, because I have a lot of these things. They're steel tabletops, and you'll notice I've cut a window out because I've cut this plate of steel. And this plate of steel is going to go there as a kind of a knee guard, but it's steel and I want it to be copper. Now, I don't know if you remember, ages ago we made this stuff. It's a copper plating solution. It's actually copper particles in copper format. Now, all you have to do with this is rub it onto the steel and it will magically turn that steel into copper, which, if you think about it, is awesome, because I'll be able to make all the copper look I want out of steel cheaply and yet get the look I want. So let me show you how this actually works. Okay, I have cleaned the steel with acetone, so I cut it out, took the zinc off with some sandpaper and then gave it a clean with acetone, and we'll use our copper formate mix. Give it a stir, put a dollop on, and then we've got a brush and some water. And that will begin to copper immediately. Now, if I remove a bit of that with some cloth, there you go, you can see the copper forming. And all we do is keep on brushing it until we get a nice coat of copper on it. So what you end up with when you've done that and give it a bit of a buff is this nice shiny coppery sheet ready to be used instead of copper. Now, I did go through the process of making that coppering gel, incidentally. I think the video is called Copper Nanoparticles or something like that. I can't quite remember the name, but there is a video on the channel showing you exactly how to make the gel. If you want to use the gel to copper plate large surface areas, that's how you do it. It's that simple. Anyway, I thought I'd share that with you, and I hope you enjoyed the video, and thank you for watching.